It's that time of year again when CLIU21 and the Lehigh Career and Technical Institute come together to put on a one-day Santa's workshop for our special needs children. This is Toy Adaptation Day 2024. LCTI and other IU students are taking regular toys and rewiring them so they can be activated by a tapping switch rather than one that requires a firm fingertip.
Knowing what we're doing for them and being able to help them, making sure they have a good Christmas so they have toys to play with like we did when we were younger.
These volunteer students plug away, helping special needs children they normally never get to meet, until this year.
These switches are so important because it makes toys accessible to children like my son Christopher.
Christopher Weber and his mother Allison came to visit the workshop to see for themselves where the adapted toys are made. Allison remembers a time where finding toys for her son was difficult.
It was always hard when you brought a toy that you think they can play with and enjoy, and they cannot activate it once you get it home. And it's very frustrating for the children.
Christopher loved testing out his toy, a football throwing machine. This is important for all the volunteers so they can see their hard work come to life.
Actually getting to see what I'm making these for, like how I'm fixing these toys, like it feels good to see what I'm doing it for instead of just, doing it and not knowing what the cause is.
Well, personally now the one he's using is the one I made, so it feels pretty good to see that it worked and that I actually did a good job and that he's able to use it. Feels good, really good.
These adapted toys are much more than just a gift under the tree for Christmas.
Once they have a switch and you have that cause and effect relationship and they know that they did it themselves, it just makes them feel so empowered and happy.